Hey guys, what's up? Unless the Fire here. Today we are going to do a Nerf challenge with my buddy Caden. His channel name is Caden Bennett. Say hi, Caden.
Yo.
Yeah, we're doing a Nerf challenge. 3 lives. When you get hit, you have to go back to your base, and that's a life gone. I'm using a sniper. Here, let's put this down real quick and show you guys this. This is really cool. Look at that. Sniper.
And just so you know, I'm using my gun.
And I am using Caden's gun because I didn't know we were doing this, and I get to wear a helmet. Cups. Good cups. So, here we go.
Oh my god.
What?
No,
So if I get hit in the head.
yeah.
And if you get hit in the head, it's a life lost for whoever shot you. Because you're not really allowed to hit people in the head with a gun. I mean, that hurts. I already did it once. Okay, yeah, this isn't fitting. So if you get shot in the head, it's a life gone for the opponent. And, yeah, when Caden's done, it's the longest intro I've ever done, but when he's done, we are going to get started. We are not allowed to steal other people's guns or ammo. We are allowed to steal their equipment, though, so it's going to be fun.
And you are allowed to grab any equipment that you can find.
Yep.
Okay, guys, let me do my intro, and we'll be ready to
Yeah,
get
so
going.
this is going to be a challenge with Caden Bennett. That's his name on YouTube. I don't know why. Should have been a cover-up story. Okay, whatever. So I'm going to go in my starting place, which is in the backyard. And let's do this. Let's go! Wow, that was loud. Yeah, we have somebody mowing here. Call me! Caden's dog. Okay, so it's kind of hard for me to see myself, like, literally. It's hard. I'm on a swing right now because I'm poor. And, yeah, I'm waiting for Caden to yell out go. So, okay, hold on, guys. Let me go get my bullet. For some reason it got shot. I don't know how. Okay, well, shout out start when you're ready. So, yeah, I'm gonna go load my gun.
We're going to be doing a Nerf challenge. So, there's going to be equipment sitting around my house. He gets back out, I got front. So yeah, we're playing with 3 lives. First one out loses, and we're going to do, I don't know how many rounds we're going to do. So,
We're probably only gonna do
get
one.
guys.
Let's go! Woo! I'm gonna put this in my base. We don't really have bases. I'm just gonna put that right there because I don't need it right now. Here we go! 3, 2, 1, go! Here we go. Come from either side. Kind of scared he's gonna come from there. I saw him. I got him. I know where he is. Oh, I just saw him run around the house. I see him. Yo, Kaden! Alright, so guys, this is really hard to record at the same time. Should I rush him, guys? I don't know. Should I? I don't know that I am, because I don't like getting shot with Nerf guns. It freaking hurt, dude. Oh, that was my fault. Sorry, guys. Oh, shoot! Retreat! I'm gonna cock it. Sorry, guys, you're looking down in grass. This is an emergency. Alright, here we go. I see him. We'll have to make a part 2 video. Because I'm only allowed to do 15 minutes. Oh, I hit him!
No, you hit me. Yeah. Come on. Oh.
You didn't hit me. No, you didn't. No, you didn't. No. Well, then I hit you.
I hit my gun.
So, it doesn't matter. Hit your gunner. So we both have 3 lives, or we both have 2 now. Okay. I'm gonna cock my gun. It's really hard to cock with one hand. I learned that earlier today. There we go. I can see the bitch. Let me cock it. Let's go. Shoot! Run away! And if we can't make a truce, that's the game. I doubt we will, though, because kind of hate each other. I don't know if you guys can see him, but he's right there. Oh no! Wait, hold on. My gun got jammed.
Here, go get a bullet from the back, bro.
My gun got jammed. I know.
Here, go get the... Whoa. Okay. Here, go get the bullet from the back.
Sorry, guys. That was my bad. Yeah, we'll act like we're on pause right now. Too bad I can't do what Caden can do. Can't pause my videos. Because
I'm on pause for a while. Until the actual action starts and when I hit you. The grenade!
So we both have... Wow, he missed.
There's 2 action packs hidden around the house. Good.
Okay. You're not allowed to get both of them.
Yeah, you can only get one.
Baseballs and tennis balls are grenades. Here's one of them. I like hiding stuff in my base. I found 1 so far. So we might have to get a part 2 because I'm only allowed to go to 15 minutes.
Hang on, time out. Do it back there.
Hold on, I'm getting my bullets.
There isn't any up here.
Yeah, I shot one at you.
Oh, it's
That one that I hit you with? Oh, it's right here. Found it.
Oh.
It's right here. Wow. I may be wondering what that's for. And then there should be one out there, shouldn't there? It's a shot one at you. Down it goes.
Dude, go back there.
I'm getting one out here. Getting the one I shot at you. Wherever that went. Whatever. Alright, we're going back. I'm gonna have to make it part 2.
I know, so am I.
So, here we go. Back into the back. Gonna cock my gun. And we're gonna make part 2. Once this reaches like 13 minutes, then I'm gonna stop and then we're gonna, you know, redo it. So, here we go. We gotta put this in. Ow, that hurt. Okay. God dang it. I saw his feet. I see you! Oh, wow. There we go. Hello. Hello. Dude, why don't you have your phone?
Guys, I went straight in somewhere else.
What? If you hit my phone, it doesn't count. Oh, hit you. Gotta go. Alright, he has 1 life left. We may not have... No, 1.
2.
No, we both started with 2. We technically both started with 2.
Okay.
So, you have 1, I have 2. Yeah, I'm out, guys. Oh, wait, no, I'm not. I have 1 left. And, guys, there will be an Elite Trainer Box opening tonight at 8 o'clock. So, guys may be excited about that. And go! If I hit him one more time, I win. There he is! Rush him! Ah! Here we go, guys. Here we go. Ultimate strategy. There are 2 action packs around the house, and
Action packs. And I'm going for 1.
oh, I got him! I win! Yes! Woo!
We have to restart it anyways.
Yeah! That is part 1. There's only going to be 2 parts.
Okay.
Woo!
Well, I just got it wrecked.
That's it for today, guys. Well, that's not it for today. We have 2 other videos coming. That's it for right now.
Okay, I'm gonna keep
Bye.
doing it.